In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Elementor. Keeping Elementor up to date ensures compatibility with the latest version of WordPress and your theme, delivers performance improvements, and patches potential security issues. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to make sure you have a recent backup of your site using your preferred method, just in case you ever need to roll back. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. Open your site's admin area and sign in with an account that can manage plugins. You'll land on the dashboard home screen, where you can access all of your site's tools and settings. From the menu on the left, click Plugins, then choose Installed Plugins. This page lists every plugin currently active or installed on your site. If updates are available, you may notice a small notification bubble next to plugins, which is a quick indicator that something needs attention. Now, find Elementor in the list. If you have many plugins, use the search field in the top right corner of the page and type Elementor to filter the list instantly. When an update is available, you'll see an Update Available notice in the Elementor row, often with the new version number and a link to view details or the changelog. Scanning those details can be helpful to understand what's changing, especially on sites with customizations. To run the update, click Update Now in the Elementor row. WordPress will download and install the latest version automatically. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Avoid navigating away from the page while it completes. Once finished, the button disappears, and you'll see a confirmation that the plugin has been updated. You can also confirm by checking that the version number displayed in the plugin's description matches the latest release. If you don't see the Update Now button, Elementor is already up to date. If you believe there's a newer version, try refreshing the page. You can also use the Updates screen in your dashboard to check again, as caching sometimes delays update notices. After updating, visit a few important pages on your site and open the Elementor editor to make sure everything loads correctly. If you use a caching plugin or a content delivery network, clear those caches so visitors receive the freshest files. And if you use Elementor Pro, remember it's a separate plugin. Update it from the same Installed Plugins page to keep it in sync with the core plugin. That's all it takes. By updating Elementor through your WordPress dashboard, you keep your site fast, secure, and ready for new features with just a few clicks.